fashionista. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. As we step into the new year, I believe we all have that fashion goals we have for the year. We want to make bold fashion statement this year. We want to make beautiful fashion statement this year. We want to go all out in our fashion sense. Trust me, you are in the right YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing top trends you should adopt in 2025 that will help you to elevate your wardrobe from. And let's step right into it. First up, the best way to elevate your wardrobe is to try bold colors. I know a number of us don't like trying bold colors. I always like want to play it safe with black, want to play it safe with white. Have you tried putting on an orange dress? I mean, I'm currently putting on an orange shirt. Look at how well it pops on my skin. So have you tried orange? Have you tried red? Have you tried blood red outfits? And have you even tried pink outfit? Like pink, all of these colors had energy to your outfit. It had energy. It gives you the vibrant feel. Like when you're putting on it and you're like, yeah, I got this. So one of the ways to elevate your wardrobe this year is to spice it up with some bold colors. Don't be afraid to go all out when it comes to colors. Make those bold statement with your colors, and I'm sure you will definitely love it. It doesn't matter if you are light skinned or dark skinned. Trust me, you can never go wrong with these colors. Do not be afraid to experiment. You can even try on yellow colors. So the first way to elevate your wardrobe is to try on bold colors. Stop hiding them under your boxes. Pull them out this 2025 and put them on. Another way to elevate your wardrobe this year or to spice up your wardrobe is by putting on oversized blazers. One thing I love about oversized blazers is like it could be casual, it could be formal, depending on how well you style it, and it can make you look so cheeky. And do not be afraid to try on oversized blazers. Oversized blazers are those blazers that don't really fit, but they give you this cheek look depending on how well you style them. I'm sure you could see the model. That's me. That you could see how beautiful it looks on me. Like it really suits me well. And also look at that color. Speaking about bold colors, this is a yellow. This is a red blazer with a wine skirt, and then I pair with a white sweater, and then I wore my pantyhose and my boots. Look at how cheeky it really looks. And oversized blazers are so versatile. You can pair them with a jean, you can pair them with a skirt, you can pair them with anything. It could be casual, it could be formal, but guess what? You're always gonna have this relaxed and chic feel always. The next thing for you to try on is statement accessory. When you're thinking about statement accessories, think about bold bags, think about colorful necklaces, think about bogo sunglasses. Do not be afraid to try. What do you mean you're still putting on dresses without a necklace, without bogus earrings? Oh my god. Yeah, please visit the nearest jewelry store and then try on those beautiful necklaces you've always had. I feel like necklaces add this vibrancy to your outfit and all of those things because they add a beautiful fashion statement to your outfit. It completes your looks and it also complements your styling. It gives you this chic and vibrant energy. So do not be afraid to try out these statement accessories to elevate your style in 2025. We don't want to look like we want to look like a minimalist babe. Also, we don't want to look too simple. We also want to look so classy. So try this on as well. Another way to elevate your style in 2025 is by adding gym outfits to your wardrobe. And when I mean gym outfit, this includes your leggings, this includes your sweatpants, this includes your sneakers, because this outfit gives you this comfortable look. Whether it's to go to the gym, run errands, just casual hangouts, casual dates, you can never go wrong with this kind of outfit because it makes you so relaxed and you get very comfortable. Trust me, adding this to your wardrobe will also elevate your style in 2025. It's all about looking effortlessly chic and stylish. Vintage is another way to uplift your wardrobe. Like vintage outfits are so beautiful. Like there is a way you would style your vintage outfit that you look so superb. Like vintage outfits are always my go-to when I'm in doubt or what I'm like, what am I supposed to wear today? I just go dig up some vintage and you never miss. You can never miss with a vintage outfit. It could be a gown where pairing with a jean or a skirt. There is no way you would have a vintage outfit to your styling wardrobe and you would not feel so fly whenever you put it on. So this is time to rate your mommy's wardrobe, rate your sister's wardrobe, rate your brother's wardrobe, and dig up their vintage outfit. You could will also get vintage outfits at the stores. They sell all of these old outfits. You will see them and you will always love them. And there you have it. This fashion trend, oversized blazers, bold colors, different accessories, athletic outfit, vintage outfit are some of the ways in which you can upgrade your outfit in 2025. And please let me know which ones you'll be trying in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Until next time, my name is Mide Ogundari.